My friends, this breakfast is the combo food pack of chop, muri and ghugni. My friends, see, this is the mouth-watering chop and this is the mouth-watering ghugni and this is muri. And my friends, this food is famous as a breakfast in West Bengal and it is special from Kakdev supermarket. Now, this is the time. My friends, breakfast, chop, muri, ghugni. My friends, bye-bye.